Today, we will analyzing 5 companies' competitive strategies, and the group member is Alison, Joy, and Zoe. The 5 companies we will analyze are Walmart, Whole Foods, Toyota, Starbucks, and Southwest Airlines. For Walmart is in retail industry, and they sell lots of products we use in daily life, like foods, clothes, furniture, and something else. And their target market is to medium or low income group. Their cost and their cost leader most difference is compared to competitors is their cooperation directly with manufacturers. As we know, if supermarket direct work with manufacturers, that can make selling price much lower. And the most difference is from competitors is they use daily price strategy. They selling daily low price every day. And the Walmart overall low cost provider strategy. We think Walmart use overall low cost provider because he use minimizing cost of operations, high efficiency automation, system operation, and reduce manual use. And we think Walmart is a borrowed market. Walmart will come anyone coming to their store and shopping. That's because of Walmart have cheapest price and they have lots of online and offline stores.
I'm Alison. I will introduce the Whole Foods. The Whole Foods company is in the grocery store, health food store industry, and they sell high quality natural and organic foods. Their target market is high income group. The differences from competitors is they have the highest quality brand reputation in this industry, and they are organic market leader. They provide best customer service in this industry compared with other retailers, and they also have good distribution system. Whole Foods using 2 methods to reduce costs. The first is increase online stores, so they can reduce the store rent fees and the staff cost fees. And they're using buying power to pressure suppliers because they have stable customers, so they can negotiate with suppliers to get the lowest materials. This is the data shows they have 500 stores in North America and the United Kingdom. And the Whole Food Company is using broad differentiation strategy. Their differentiation are related in many ways. Here we also list. They are organic market leader and their products differentiation, and they have strict quality standards, and their target customers are not price sensitive because they focus more on the quality. They also provide best customer service in the industry, and their customers also have the specific needs, so they can make the customer needs come true. The Whole Foods has broad market because we think any group can come in their store, and they sell necessities of life, and they have many offline stores. Next company is Toyota. Toyota is in the automotive industry. They sell vehicles. Their target market is middle income group, and we think this company is the cost leader in the industry because they produce vehicles at the lowest price, and they also have the strict control of the expenses of the company, and the investments in efficiency scale facilities to improve in production efficiency. And this is difference from competitors. They have the excellent design and high quality products in the industry, and they have strong brand image, and they also has global supply chain, and their innovation abilities vary quickly than other competitors. And this is the data shows they sell and operate in more than 190 countries. Toyota company is using best cost provider strategy. The company combines the low cost and the differentiation, and the low cost is related in the company is minimizing cost of operations, and they invest in high efficiency equipment. than other companies so they can improve production efficiency, and they cost minimizing in many areas like service or research and development department. The differentiation is related in they have the unique production system so the other competitors cannot copy their system easily, and they have the excellent design and high quality of the product. Their products also have the perfect performance and the many features of the other competitors. And Toyota has a broad market because any group can buy it, not focus on age or gender. And the different groups also have the same product to fit in. And their products are still in reasonable price, so many people can accept it. And they also sell many types of vehicles.
I am Joy, and next I will introduce the Starbucks company. And the Starbucks company belongs to coffee industry, and they sell products is coffee, handcrafted beverage, merchandise, and fresh food. Their target market is the upper middle income group. They have two ways to reduce the cost. The first is acquisition of other companies, and second is cooperation with coffee beans group. That means Starbucks coffee beans different from other coffee shops. They are high quality coffee beans and the cost is very expensive. So Starbucks choose to work with growers to reduce the cost of raw material. And there is a difference from competitors. The first is good customer service, and the second is high quality raw material, and last is strong brand image. So we think Starbucks company using focus differentiation strategy, and about differentiation have a 6 point. The first is good environment and customer oriented service. The second is high quality raw material like coffee beans, and the third is Star Card. Starbucks is used to building long-term relationship with customers and improve customer loyalty. The fourth is sales of Starbucks merchandise. Five is environmental protection. That means Starbucks is working hard to develop more environmentally friendly cups, and they carry out recycling program to reduce the waste produced. And the last is good environmental relationships. So we think Starbucks is a broad market, and they have a 3 point. And the first is any group and no limitation. Appropriated price. That means Starbucks, although is priced higher than other coffee shop, is also a price that customer can accept because young people discuss the issue at Starbucks and white collar workers can work there. So we think this is a broad market. And next is Southwest Airlines. This belongs to transportation industry and they sell products is air tickets. And their target market is middle class families and shorter term travelers or young people. So we think Southwest Airlines is a cost leader because the first is reduce operation cost and the second is only use one type or airplane. Southwest Airlines only use Boeing 737 types aircraft, which reduce the cost of air traffic. And there is a difference from competitors. The first is flexible policy. The means is Southwest Airlines does not have this inactive seat. They can use point to cancel or reschedule flight at any time. And the second is lower pricing, and the third is unique customer service. Last is efficient operation model. And we think Southwest Airlines use best cost provider strategy, and they have 5 points is low cost and the differentiation. The first is a lower operation cost. Second is minimize service. It's about creating and boarding pass cost. And the third is flight only one model flight. Four is no additional baggage fee. last is free cancellation and changes. So we think Southwest Airlines belongs to board market. Because it sells air tickets at a low cost and a low price, whereas a low-income family or short-term travelers. Business people provide very efficient and cost-effective service. So without targeting the specific customer group, his market is very broad. Thanks for watching, and that's all information references.